let's talk about, on that same trajectory, the Domahene waded into the conversation, among others. Many people spoke to the issues, and he suggested, issue a nolle prosequi on this matter. Let it go.
Yes.
But the bit is, he's a High Court judge. And in fact, now, the Judicial Council is taking him on in matters related to that instance.
This is how
the code of ethics.
This is how hypocritical this country is.
I see.
We are very hypocritical. The Domahene is a chief. He didn't speak in the court. He spoke as a traditional ruler. Just like one other judge did from the Volta regime by endorsing President Akufo-Addo's second term bid. What did we not hear in this country? He spoke as a traditional ruler. He didn't speak as a judge. So how do you come to blame Domahene, who spoke as a traditional ruler, who represented his people and said that, look, listening to the sentiments of my people, I think that the AG should enter a nolle prosequi to stop the case. He didn't say that in the courtroom. He didn't say that in the course of his duty as a judge. He said it as a traditional ruler. Why do you arraign him before the Judicial Council? That is unfair. The other one, what's his name? What's the name of the other judge? There was one that endorsed President Akufo-Addo's second bid from the Volta region. What's his name? You can help me. Is it
Honyenuga?
Yeah.
You're talking of the one who was on the Lithowitz case as well, the Opuni?
Yes.
Opuni case.
Yes. I think when he spoke at that time, and people tried to raise issues about the fact that this is a judge, there were people who came out to defend him, that he was a traditional ruler. And the occasion in which he spoke, he was speaking as a traditional ruler. How different is that one from the Domahene's case?
But we also say that two wrongs do not make a right. If we want to depoliticize, hold on. If we want to depoliticize, decouple politics from traditional rule, if you like, which is what the Constitution suggests that we do, don't you think we should be shying away from this and not trying to equalize on that?
It's not politics. The man wasn't speaking politics. He didn't say that I'm NDC because of that, enter a nolle prosequi. He didn't speak like my good friend and brother Sami Jemfi, who is the NDC National Communication Officer, who speaks on behalf of the party. That was not what the Domahene did. He said that, look, hearing or listening to the sentiment of my people, I think that, look, let me tell you, if the NPP is wise enough, if they enter nolle prosequi to stop Quayson's case, I tell you that if they had done that immediately, Ghanaians would have seen that, look, the president is reconciliatory. The president is a listening president. The president actually, listened to the sentiments of Ghanaians. And that would have given Nana-Addo and his government some level of credibility. And the judiciary itself would have been safe of that perceived political witch hunting. The judiciary itself would have been safe of that perceived political witch hunting. And that would have even helped the NPP government going forward. But you see, if they want to be on Gyakye Quayson, I tell you that, look, Quayson alone, this case alone can let the NPP, by now I'm telling you that the NPP has even lost over 20% of votes going into the 2024 elections. By public opinion. By public
has lost 20% of votes.
They've lost
already.
They've lost already. Because I am telling you that...
Then it literally means, or virtually means, the NDC has about 60% of votes in the kitty as of now.
Very sure.
I see.
Very sure. If elections are held today, I tell you, Quayson's case and the others, alone, the Ghanaians will punish the NPP for that. If elections were to be held today.
Even apart from the woes of the economy and everything else.
Yes. So I'm saying that if they listen to the lives of the Domahene, look, they are only trying to vilify the man for nothing. But if they are wise enough to listen to the Domahene, it will serve them good than bad.